Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your Facebook internet problem. So for fixing it you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings first thing just check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing you can try to open mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.